Listen me, man, go do something.
Rare sighting. Papa G making dumplings.
My first is from I need.
Long time I see you cook. That may I talk about. Listen people, when Papa G cook for you, you lick your 10 finger and your 10 toes. It's true. Mama G said not regularly.
When last me cook Mama G?
We have to beg it out. We have to beg it.
Me stand too
Right now
long in
me
the kitchen.
late.
Me stay too long in
That's
the
how Shan
kitchen.
stay too. When Shan cooks, Shan stay late. Right now me late come here with pan a dumpling now. That may I tell
You
you.
beard already?
No.
Then go and go beard.
His pot is heat.
The sky don't let me cut the mat with it. Don't
I'm not gonna cut myself.
mat I said.
Hello, please.
Don't see this.
Go and go do something, man.
I'm cutting a potato.
Perfection.
I'm joking. And I always love to see the dumpling all over.
Hey!
So I touch some and
You
pick
can't do it like
some.
how she do it.
You do it your way, that's fine.
And when she done it now, she got some.
Come on, man. I just want to see how you do the rest of the dumpling. I don't have time for that.
No, you not see some already when more you
Can
want.
I
want to
do
see all of
my
them.
dumpling?
Sky's coming in on the phone. Come show me how you do your dumpling, Sky.
Sometimes I do it rolly, but sometimes I do it like a festival. Now I just roll it up.
Can you roll it properly, please? Roll it like how you're going to fry it. It's going to fry. Do it like a fried dumpling, like a ball.
Yeah, so
Do it like, yeah.
I do that. And then sometimes you press it down. People will press like a little dough
Okay.
until it turns
Right.
to
And then you can give it to
dough.
Grandpa now, and that's your dumpling. Give it to Grandpa.
That's your dumpling.
Give it to Grandpa.
How you do it? In the we have one.
Okay, don't touch them.
I was counting it.
And then I'll just show them the finished product. The chef. Wow. I'll take the small one because I had something already. People.
Crispy.
Half a knife. Yeah, man. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Thanks, Papa G.